Hi, so today we are going to create a Scrapy project. So we have been given a task to scrap this website, uh, Cavalieri dello Voro. I don't know what's exact spelling of this, what's how to pronounce it, but this is a website we have to scrap. And first of all, what I will going to do is go to a folder where I want to work. So let's suppose I have a folder web Scrapy, and here let's delete this. Okay, so now I will open a cmd.exe so that it will open in the same folder, the command prompt. Now I have already installed a Scrapy library. So if you don't have installed, you have to install like pip install Scrapy, okay, and hit enter. So it will install a Scrapy. So I have already installed. So what I'm going to do is to start a project. So Scrapy start project, and let's give it a name. Cavali. Let's give it this name, Cavals. Okay. So it has created a folder in the same directory. So here we have maybe, and where it is. Let's see. Here we have a folder. So it has created a Scrapy project. So now I will go to inside. I will go inside this folder cd2 Cavals. Now Scrapy will create a spider. Scrapy generate spider. Okay, and give it a name. And now okay, so now it has created a scrapper. So now I will go to that folder and open it in the VS Code. So here I have multiple projects, and I will go to the folder. Sorry, I'll open up the same folder, which is webs ready. Now, first of all, what we have to do is we have to collect this information. We have to scrap. First of all, go to this link and extract this information. And if we want to, if we are going to scrap with the Scrapy, as you know, Scrapy cannot extract the JavaScript content. So let's suppose if I disable the JavaScript, Ctrl+Shift+P, and disable the JavaScript and refresh the page. So you can see there is no content. That means we cannot extract this information with the with Scrapy. So, but there is one more option we have. Let's suppose let's go here and go to the network tab, hit enter, and make sure you have selected the fetch XHR. And here you can see there is a hidden API through which we can extract this information. And here is that information. There are a lot of results. Okay, so these are the 147 results. So if you want to make sure it is the same API, go to the first link. You can see it matches the first. And the information we need from this page is this one, and this one, this and this. Okay, so and the link of this page, because we will going to extract that information as well. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to select this part. So I will go here, right click and copy as dash. Okay, and now I'll go to the postman. I'll go to the postman. I'm going to the postman and remove the old ones. Now go to import and paste. That's without saving. Now hit enter. Let's see the results. Yeah, here we have the results. Okay. So now the issue is one thing. Let me check one thing. If I go to that, let's suppose if we go to this page, and let's see if we have this information within that that API. If this is the case, we can extract all the information from there. 1862, 19, 19, 1922. Okay, and nominee. Let's see this one. Yeah, the nomina. Here we have a date, and then 150. Okay, and then industria. Here we have industria, and then compania. Here we have a compania, region, okay, and this one. Okay, okay, great. And this part, portfolio. Oh, great. So we have all the information in the API in the first page. So there is no need to, there is no need to go inside the page to extract other information. As what I need is the every information from this page, from these four fields, and then we need to go to in this page and extract all other information such as these fields. So okay, so now let's go to here. So now what I'm going to see, what I see here is we have all the information within this API. So what I will do is copy this. Let's say, let's test it again. And here we have all the data. Okay, so I will copy the code. Make sure you have selected the Python request. Okay, and copy it, and then open a file, save it, and run it. Okay, so we can see that we have this JSON object, the JSON output of all the data. So now I will integrate this request into the Scrapy. Go to here, and within this request, first of all, I will make a start request. Instead of this parse, I will make a start request by giving this link for A, and removing these two lines. We don't need anymore. So for I in list, print the URL, and then use this URL to make a request. But here we have, as you know, we can see that here we have headers. So we will also use these headers attribute, and for that I will copy it and paste it here. So we already have a URL in my list, and I will remove it, and some indentation. After that, data is equal to payload, and headers is equal to headers. Okay, so we are going to make this request. See, and paste it here. And then removing this part. Okay, so now we have headers and this request. Let's try this request to see if it works. So what it will going to do is it will print, it will iterate over this list, because in the first iteration I just want to get the result for the A, for A, like the companies which starts with A. For example, let's go to here, and let's go to here. Okay, starts with A. So first of all, I will use this link, and let's test it out. Open a command prompt, activate the virtual environment. Okay, and how you activate the environment? I have a my env environment, my env script activate. Then cd2 cables, and then I will go to run Python, sorry, Scrapy crawl cable, because I have this spider name. Okay, so now let's hit enter and see the result. So what it says is error while obtaining start request, URL, data payload, expected data. Okay, so in the Scrapy we don't have a data attribute, so let's remove it. There's no need of payload as we have nothing in our payload. Let's start again. Okay, so we have this result. So now we need to iterate over this result and get the attributes we need. So for that purpose, what I'm going to do is, let's remove it. Go to parse response.body. So what I'm going to do is convert this response.body attribute into a JSON object. First of all, we will convert this into a JSON object. Okay, so and save it as a data. I need to import a JSON first. Import JSON. Okay, now we will convert this response.text attribute, response.text body content, response.body response.body into a convert into a JSON body, JSON payload. So then I will print the data and print the type of data. Okay, and let's comment out this line, and let's see. So here we have a list. So now within the list, I have a JSON values. Like for example, in this list, here is our list, and we have these attributes. So then, uh, what I'm going to do is, let's see. I will iterate over it, okay, and extract the. Let's see. I will iterate the no or the ID. Okay, so for card in data loader dot load item. Maybe I'm doing some mistake. Let's see. This is my item. For item, I need to go to this items, and I have this Canva item. Put it here, and I may need to import it first. I need to import these two attribute these two libraries as well. And now instead of ARK items, I need to write Canva item. Okay. Okay. So now for item load. Okay, let's print the card first. Let's print the card. Okay, instead of loading and yielding the item, let's print the card. So it will iterate over the list and print the attributes one by one. Okay, so here it is correctly printing the output. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is load item selector is equal to card. Okay, and not add value. For example, let's say I want to get the ID. So card dot get ID. Okay, and whatever the variable I am extracting here, I need to put that into an item values. Okay, so now here I have this yield loader dot load item. So let's print it out. Oh, let's remove it. Now let's run it again. So now you can see I have an ID attribute, okay, which is the first here. So what I'm going to do is to iterate over these values and extract the ID part. Then I will go to norm, cognom, and so on. So let's also extract the norm. So what I'm going to do is select this and then card dot get no. So now I'm just going to extract these two attributes. If you want to extract many more, you need to follow the same steps and scrapy dot f field. Okay, and save this and then run it again. So in this way, for this time, how I will run this: scrapy crawl canva minus o output dot csv. So it will extract the data into a csv file. So let's hit enter and see the output. But there is some issue. Loader.load xpath, add xpath. So the value we are extracting is not an xpath, it's just a value. So instead of xpath, I will use value and then save the file and run it again. So this is how you can extract the all those contents just because of hidden API. So let's open the CSV and you can see the results. So just because of this hidden API, we are able to extract all the information which is in this page and within this page. So this way, just you need to extract the data. You need to find the hidden API from any website. So let's suppose if we are not able to find the hidden API, there was two challenges. First of all, we need to use the Selenium to load this page and extract these four attributes along with the URL. and then we need to go to that URL and then extract all these information. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope everything is now clear to you. You can create this project, and I will also share the link of this script so you can use it. And thank you so much for watching the video.